Okay, I'm having a starting problem with the bike. It's been pretty much since the first day that I had it. In the morning when I go to start it, it doesn't want to start, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Turn the key on. It tries to start. It's not getting enough fuel is what it appears to be. And so what we're going to end up doing here is replacing the vacuum fuel pump, which after all the reading I've done is pretty much of a piece of junk. We're going to replace that with an electric fuel pump and some other things. What we need to do is remove this side cover off that runs all along here. To do that, you need to take this kick plate off. There's some screws underneath that. There's one screw over here. That thing should just pull off, and then we should have access at that point to all of the components underneath and get the fuel pump replaced. Okay, so we have the kick plate removed. As you can see there, that's 8 screws that needed to come out there. Then it looks like we have another 8 screws more to come off. We have 8 screws that were along the side here holding this on, and then we had one machine screw which was right here behind the back footrest that had to come out as well, and it's off. And there's what I believe to be the culprit, the fuel pump that comes with the motorcycle, and we're going to change that shortly. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that fuel filter in there is only got a little bit of fuel in it, and I just tried starting it again to see how much it would get, and it barely gets any fuel getting sucked into that. So obviously the culprit is this fuel pump, and as you can see there we have one bolt to take off, and that should completely disengage the pump from the frame itself. So we'll see how that goes. It took one bolt to get that fuel pump off. That is a number 10 wrench that you're going to need, and as you can see we have the pump completely free, and begin the process of replacing everything. Okay, I've replaced the old vacuum fuel pump with the electric fuel pump, replaced the fuel filter, replaced all the fuel lines with 5/16 fuel line, removed some of the vacuum lines and replaced those as well with Goodyear hoses. The kit power was really simple. I just used the MP3 unit's power source due to the fact that it works off the key as well, and that seemed to go pretty simple, and let's give it a try. Just an FYI, it's about 38 degrees right now, and the problem I was having is, I guess you could call it cold starting or morning starting, and I don't believe it was the electronic choke. I believe it was the vacuum fuel pump, and let's just find out if that was a fix. We'll turn that on, turn the key on. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but you can hear the new electric fuel pump going. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. I would say that's pretty good confirmation that we've fixed the problem.